Hello kids, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. Children, as you all are aware that we were doing practice or revision of our different topics. In that row children, today I have taken this page number 64 and 65 from your GK book, that is countries and flags. Or I can say this topic, countries and their flags. So children, in this page number 64 and 65, we are going to see flags of different countries, what does they mean, and what are the different colors symbolizes. Like we'll see flag of our country, and then similarly we'll see flag of other country, and we will also find it out what are the different facts related to other countries. So children, let's start our chapter, that is countries and flags. We'll start with the first one. Russia is the largest country in the world. It is almost 5 times bigger than India. So first of all, we are going to do flag of Russia. Number one country, that is Russia, and Russia is the biggest country in the world. Biggest country in the world. First of all, first basic fact which you have to remember, that is Russia is the biggest country in the world. First thing which you have to remember, that is this, Russia is the biggest country in the world. Second important thing, it is as bigger as 5 times of India. Means if you will see area of Russia, you can divide that Russia into 5 India. Means 5 India can be formed from Russia. See children, these things you don't require to cram it. You have to see the video. You will remember these basic concept, like I've told you, Russia is the biggest country in the world. Means on earth we have different continent, as well as in those continent we have different countries. About 200 countries are there in all the, if I join all the continent, there are total 200 countries. So out of the 200 countries, Russia is the biggest country according to the area. Fine. I'm not talking about the population. If I come to population, then China will be the biggest country. China has the largest population, and after China, our India will come on the second place. So children, here I am not talking about the population. Here I am talking about what is the area of that Russia. According to area, Russia is the largest or the biggest country in the world. Now we'll come to flag. Now flag of Russia is a stripe of 3 colors, that is white, blue and red. So I'll show you in the book, as well as you can see yourself also. This is the flag of Russia. This is the flag of Russia. I hope you all can see. White band, blue band, and then red band is there in the flag of Russia. So these two things, important thing you have to remember. Now I am going to come to the second flag, that is related to United Kingdom. And United Kingdom is, united means what? What do you mean by united? United means एक साथ होना, इकट्ठा हो जाना. Fine. We all are united. ठीक है. तो united मतलब जब हम बहुत सारी चीज़ों को एक साथ जोड़ दें. So they all are united, they are together with each other. So just like that, UK is formed. Short form of a United Kingdom is UK. UK. And full form is United Kingdom. United Kingdom. Now very important thing that this United Kingdom is formed by the unity of or association of few countries, that is England, Scotland, Wales, Northern Ireland together form this United Kingdom. So what you have to remember? England, Scotland, Wales and Northern Ireland. Actually children, what happened by joining these four countries, that is England, Scotland, then Wales and Northern Ireland. Wales and Northern Ireland. These all are combined and then our UK is formed. UK means United Kingdom will be formed. See, United word here specifies United means एक साथ होना. जब ये सारी countries England, Scotland, Wales and Northern Ireland they combine together, then UK is formed, which is full form of UK is United Kingdom. Beta, actually what happened? Earlier when the countries will be formed, जब continent बने तो वो continent में क्या था? There are few of the countries which is occupying very less space. तो जो भी उसके आसपास की countries थी, like अगर आप वेल्स की बात करो तो वेल्स के पास में वी आर ऑल हैविंग इंग्लैंड, स्कॉटलैंड, तो ये कंट्रीज हैं. दे हैड अ थॉट कि जो छोटे कंट्रीज हैं दैट वाज अंडरटेकिंग बाय द बिगर कंट्रीज. वो बड़ी कंट्रीज बोलते ओके आई विल प्रोवाइड यू ईच एंड एवरीथिंग, हम आपको खाना भी देंगे, हम आपको सब कुछ देंगे. मीन्स द पीपल दोज हु आर लिविंग इन दैट पर्टिकुलर कंट्री. ऐसा पहले बहुत होता था. फॉरेन कंट्रीज में भी जो आसपास के जो छोटे छोटे कॉन्टिनेंट्स के जो भी जितने भी कंट्रीज होते थे वो क्या करते थे, वो जो बड़े कंट्रीज वो छोटे कंट्रीज को अपने साथ ले लेते थे, अंडरटेकिंग में ले लेते थे कि हाँ हम आपका ध्यान रखेंगे, विल प्रोवाइड यू ईच एंड एवरीथिंग. अभी आपने सुना होगा कि देयर आर सर्टेन कंट्रीज ऑल्सो, वो अभी भी चाहती है दैट द बिगर कंट्री विल टेक अस. फाइन, कि बड़ी कंट्रीज जो हैं वो हमें अपने साथ जोड़ ले एंड देन दे विल बी गेटिंग ईच एंड एवरीथिंग. मतलब वो जो बिगर कंट्री होगी दैट इज ओनली रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर ईच एंड एवरीथिंग. ऐसे ही यूनाइटेड किंगडम इज फॉर्म्ड बाय द एसोसिएशन ऑफ बाय यूनाइटेड ऑफ इंग्लैंड, स्कॉटलैंड, वेल्स एंड नॉर्दर्न आयरलैंड. तो ये छोटी छोटी सारी कंट्रीज मिल करके दे विल बिकम अ ह्यूज बिगर कंट्री and the combined name is of these country is United Kingdom. Now we'll talk about flag. Flag, you all have seen, this one is the flag. This one is the flag of United Kingdom. This flag is the flag of United Kingdom. So now children will come to flag of India. Now Indian flag is also known as Tiranga. So few of the concept which I have already told you, I am going to take those concept here. That Indian flag is also known as Tiranga because basically we have three colored stripe in our Tiranga. Basically we will be having three colors, that is saffron, white and green in our flag. Fine. Indian flag you all have seen three colors, that is saffron, white and green. One more color is there, that is blue color of the Ashok Chakra which is on white band. So what do you understand? There are three colors in our national flag, that is saffron, white and green. Then what? on a white strip you will be having one blue chakra. वो blue color का चक्रा है. That blue chakra, that is Ashok chakra, that is called Ashok chakra. And along, if I take all, so we have 4 colors in our national flag, but basically we are going to consider only 3 colors. Now what do these colors stands for? That we will see in quick quiz. Now all these stripes are in this national flag is formed by khadi, and khadi clothes was in quite in familiar with the people those who are living in India at the time of Mahatma Gandhi, because Mahatma Gandhi believed that why should we use clothes from other countries if we are able to make it. सो उन्होंने ये जो चरखा होता है, चरखा काटना, चरखा आप लोगों ने देखा होगा, वो चरखा काटना शुरू किया, और फ्रॉम दैट दे विल मेक द थिन स्ट्रैंड ऑफ खादी, एंड वो फिर इंडस्ट्रीज में दे करके एंड दे आर गोइंग टू उसको और अच्छा बना के, एंड देन दे आर स्टार्टेड मेकिंग क्लोथ्स फ्रॉम दैट खादी थ्रेड. तो ये था, दैट इज व्हाट, दैट इज योर ओके. तो वो खादी जो था वो बनाने लग गए. देन दे हैड अ थॉट कि जब हम अपने आप ये इम्प्रूवमेंट कर रहे हैं, देन व्हाई वी शुड गो विद अदर काइंड ऑफ अ क्लोथ. तो तब से वो खादी से आवर नेशनल फ्लैग इज फॉर्म. एंड हमारे नेशनल फ्लैग में वी हैव 3 stripes, and our national flag is in the ratio of 3:2. Means 3 will be the length and 2 feet will be the width of that flag. That is the standard length of that. Or every time we will be getting flag which is made up of khadi. खादी से ही बना हुआ flag जो है that will be hosted on in a particular ground, or at a time of 15th August or 26th January. So that is your national flag. 3 colors are there: saffron, white and green. And what do they stands for? That we are going to say in the quick quiz. Now number 4 is the United States of America, or we can write USA. Now this USA, that is the full form of USA, is the United States of America. United States of America, which is again a huge country having 50 states. 50 states. Do you remember how many states are there in our country? 28. Yes, that is correct. 28, and 8 union territory. But USA is almost double of India, because it has 50 states in their country. So USA, the full form of USA is the United States of America. So in America also, the first president of America, USA, was the George Washington, and he has contributed a lot in the life of people those who are living in Washington, and they done very well for them. Even though the people those who are coming from other countries, like few of the people those who are coming from Africa and from other countries, they are also settled down in America. And George Washington was the only president which had thought for the people those who are coming from other country. Rest of the president, they don't have any thought about the people those who are coming from other country, and they are not providing any resources for that. So they had a fight for those people, those African American people. See children, what happens कि if the people who went to, okay, अगर मैं हूँ, मैं अगर किसी भी कंट्री, कोई भी कंट्री है उस पे जाती हूँ, आई डू जॉब ओवर देयर, आई विल पे टैक्स, मैं वहां पे रहूंगी। टैक्स क्या होता है? टैक्स मीन्स आप जिस भी कंट्री में रहते हो तो आप अगर वो कंट्री की इकोनॉमी से कुछ भी गेन करते हो, लेट्स से हम इंडिया में रहते हैं, इंडिया की इकोनॉमी से कुछ गेन करते हैं, देन हमें सम पार्ट ऑफ आवर सैलरी दैट इज सपोज टू गिव इट टू द गवर्नमेंट, ये चीज है, एंड दैट पार्ट जो हम गवर्नमेंट को देते हैं दैट इज कॉल्ड टैक्स। फाइन। नाउ व्हाट इज देयर कि यूएसए में अफ्रीकन अमेरिकन पीपल दोज हु केम ओवर देयर, उनको वो कंट्रीब्यूट तो कर रहे हैं यूएसए की इकोनॉमी में, बट दे आर नॉट गेटिंग इक्वल राइट्स। तो उसके लिए भी जॉर्ज वॉशिंगटन जो उनके फर्स्ट प्रेसिडेंट थे, एंड ही कैन बी प्रेसिडेंट एज लॉन्ग एज ही वांट, जब तक भी वो चाहता था वो प्रेसिडेंट रह सकता था, बट ही हैड थॉट कि नो, आई डोंट वांट इट, and other people they can do that. So here again I'll show you these two flags also. Indian flag that is of three colors, saffron, white and green, and this Ashok chakra is of blue color, that is taken on from Ashok pillar, Ashoka pillar. This flag is of USA, that I think you all have seen also, where when you will go in embassy or that certain areas, जब कोई भी अमेरिका से कोई भी गेस्ट आते हैं, so this kind of a flag will be put on their car. Now children will come to will take a pause from the four flags. Four flag we have done. Russia is the biggest country in the world. UK, that is full form of UK is United Kingdom, that is formed by England, Scotland, Wales and Northern Ireland. Now Indian flag is known as Tiranga because basically we will be having three colors in our national flag. Now what does these three colors stands for? So that we will see saffron stands for courage and sacrifice. Courage means Shakti, Takat, and sacrifice means if I want to do certain sacrifices for our country तो मैं कर सकती हूँ. sacrifices मतलब if they'll ask कि okay you have to do this job and while doing this job if you will die, so that is again a sacrifice for our country. Not only कि आज की डेट में कोई sacrifice कर रहा है कंट्री के लिए, even though जो पहले थे जैसे भगत सिंह और मेनी फ्रीडम फाइटर, मैंने आपको फ्रीडम फाइटर का भी चैप्टर कराया है, सो दैट वी आर गोइंग टू टेक इट इन रिविजन ऑल्सो, तो बट आप रिमेंबर करेंगे यहाँ से फ्यू ऑफ द बेसिक थिंग विच आई हैव रिटन ऑन द बोर्ड, एज वेल एज व्हाट डज द इंडियन फ्लैग color stands for, that is saffron, white and green as well as blue also. So here saffron stands for courage and sacrifice, white stands for purity and truth, green for faith and fertility, blue wheel for progress. So here wheel stands for progress, blue wheel stands for progress, that because our country is a developing country, it is not developed country. So two types of countries are there, developed country which do not require anything from outside of their country, and developing country which needs some kind of a support from the other country. So our country comes in the second category, that is developing country. It is not developed country, but America or United Kingdom, these are the few of the countries which is already developed and they don't require anything. So what are the colors of the Indian flag? That we will see: saffron, white, green and blue. So blue stands for progress, means our state, our country is keep on progressing, so that is a means of blue wheel. First, that is saffron stands for courage and sacrifice, white for purity and truth, green for faith and fertility, blue that stands for wheel for progress. So you have to remember this. What does these colors stands for? What do they you mean by all these three colors of Indian flag? So what you have to remember? These few things which I have written on the board, that you will remember. And what does Indian flag color stands for? First, that is saffron. Saffron stands for sacrifice and courage. Fine. बहादुरी का प्रतीक होता है. Pratik means that stands for. So saffron stands for courage and sacrifice. White stand for purity and fertility. Green, purity and truth. Green stands for faith and fertility. And blue wheel is for progress. So that is there. That is your first four flag, as well as the quick quiz which is given on that page number 64. Now with this we have finished our page number 64. Now I am going to start with page number 65. That is flag of UAE. Okay. Now flag of UAE. First of all, full form of UAE, United Arab Emirates. Fine. UAE stands for United Arab Emirates. Again, what I have told you, that in earlier time when we are having smaller countries besides any huge country or any huge place, they find it out that we can divide that country into ourselves. We can make a separate box for putting all this. So in that, what happened, that few of the places are quite there, few of the states were there, they have combined it, and then one United Arab Emirates, that is UAE, is formed. So these places are Abu Dhabi, Dubai, Sharjah, Ajman, Al Quwan, Ras Al Khayyam and Al Fujairah. So these all are the places where you can these all are the places which combine together and this United Arab Emirates. Now all these countries, United means एक साथ मिलना, and Arab Emirates means all those names which you have taken just now, which I have taken just now, my like rest of the places, different places, Abu Dhabi, Dubai, Sharjah, Ajman, Al Quwan, Ras Al Khayyam and Al Fujairah. So these all are united, and then United Arab Emirates are formed. Actually what happened, that these areas were come in just below the power of sheikhs. Sheikh people were ruling over there. Now these sheikhs are different, and that Mohammedans, those who will find it out, they are different. Sheikhs are also called Pathan and all. So वो actually क्या है कि why they are named as sheikhs, कि they were not doing any one kind of a job. They were mutually support each and everybody's business. So business is an important part for them. So that's why they will adjoin all the countries, and then a huge country whose name is UAE. That is quite famous country, and name of few of the Arab Emirates also, like Abu Dhabi, Dubai, and Sharjah, Ajman. These names you will remember. Now I'll show you flag of United Arab Emirates. See, 3 color flag is there, that is your red, then black, white and green. 4 colors are there instead. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 colors are there. So this kind of a flag is of United Arab Emirates. Now we'll come to next, Singapore. Singapore is a city as well as a country. So very important. Next will be Singapore. Number 6, Singapore. And flag flag contains four different color. Four different color of United Arab Emirates. Here you will be having two color band or in a flag, and one will be connected with one flag. In that flag you will find it out that Arab, this one is related to your Arab Emirates. Right, so this kind of a flag you will get it of Singapore. Now Singapore is known as a country as well as the city also. Why? Because the capital of Singapore is a city, and the capital of Singapore is Singapore itself, and that Singapore is known as Garden City. Many parks and tree-lined trees, we will find it out over there. Now we'll come to last flag, that is Japan. Now Japan is a country which of island. Fine, smaller islands were adjoining and then a huge island is formed. Now here few thousand small island in the Pacific Ocean. It consists of main island and a few thousand smaller island in the Pacific Ocean. So Japan is, many times Japan will get an earthquake also every time, and once it happens that such a certain kind of a earthquake has came that they lost each and everything from their country. They lost each and everything means they have to re-establish the whole country. सब कुछ खत्म हो गया. Those people also, they will also getting scared also, and they are also not getting any space for sitting and living over there. So they provide them particular place, and then they can join all those smaller countries, and then a huge country, that is Japan, will be formed. Now rule regulation of Japan is quite clear. Means all the people are going to do job. They have to contribute in their company, their financial, because they think that if each and everybody from a house is going to earn, they are not going to suffer from any kind of a problem. And this kind of a flag you must have seen, white band, and over it we will be having a red band. So that is your flag of Japan. Now quick quiz, will come to quick quiz. First A part, from which symbol has the wheel in the center of national flag has been taken? That is the lion's capital of Ashoka. Now how many colors can we see in a national flag? That is 4. Actually it is 4, but basically we'll see only 3 colors, or you can write 4. How many spokes does the wheel on the Indian flag have? So that is 24. What kind of cloth is mostly used to make the national flag of India? That is khadi. Just now I have told you that once the mother that how will use khadi to make cloth, and it can be used repeatedly also. Once you will use that khadi cloth, and you will fold it and keep it in that box, and after that you can use it later on. So that with that we have finished with this page number 64 and 65, that is countries and flag. You will see this video and then you will revise all these flags and countries and the facts related to that country which I have told you, that you all are going to revise it, and going to take it on Monday. In Monday class we are going to do this revision of countries and flag. So children, today I am going to finish the class, and you all are going to learn countries and flag of that particular countries. You are going to remember what is the flag. So here I am going to finish the class for today, I hope you all have understood different countries and their flags. So that's all for today, children. Have a good day.